In this video, I will show you how to earn free PayPal money, which is one of the best ways to make money online. How to do it, you're about to find out. This is how to earn money online by online Payz. And if you are still not subscribed, please subscribe, because I post daily making money online videos to help you make money fast with the easiest tricks. So the first website we have is called Userfeel. Userfeel, actually you get paid for reviewing apps and websites. Why they're gonna pay you to do that? Because they want to see if they have bugs or any problem to test it for the customers, for the future customers, so they don't have any trouble using the app. So they actually pays you $60 per user tests. As you guys know, it's trusted by over 500 organizations. It's easy, you don't have to pay anything. They simply pay per user test from our panel of more than 150,000 testers speaking for 40 languages. So if you don't speak English, there's Spanish, there's Indian, there's a lot of languages, there's Italian, so you don't have to worry about a thing. It's crazy because over $150,000 people are testing the apps and using this website. So guys, don't stop through any part of this video so you don't miss any step of how to make money online. If you are getting value out of this video, guys, don't forget to share this video and comment below, do we're making money online, so I could post daily making money online videos. So as you guys see, you don't need a thing, you just need a camera, a video, which you already have it if you're using your laptop or your phone. You have to have a good audio, and you have to have a sharing team or a sharing video record. If you're getting value out of this video, don't forget to share this video and comment below, do more making money online videos so I could keep posting daily videos. So the second website is called HoneyGain. HoneyGain pays you to share your internet. So if you're asking, online Payz, is it safe to share my internet? Yes, it's safe, because it is a trusted website I personally use to share my Wi-Fi and earn a lot of money. That's crazy. And you actually share money with one of the biggest companies around the world. You help the users, and it's totally safe. Don't worry, you don't have to share any personal information about yourself. So easy way to earn passive income. Start earning with HoneyGain and use money to pay for streaming platform subscription, unlock exclusive content and free-to-play games, or simply treat yourself with a little online shopping store. Earn without compressing security. Like guys, it's easy. Like estimate your earnings, $55 per month, 3 devices recommended. Let's say if you're gonna share 20 GB, that's $181 dollars per month, which is good. If you're posting, like let's say 24 hours, you're gonna earn $184 per month. It's a good amount of money. Imagine if doing it with so many devices, you're gonna at least make $1,000 easily. So your location, the number of IP addresses, and all of these things, you're gonna set it up, run HoneyGain, gonna give them the information, help the business, and get paid a lot of money. They pay by PayPal, Bitcoin, or GMPT. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with all of your friends and family to earn more money. And comment below, do more making money online videos for daily videos. Like I'll keep posting every single day to help you guys make the most money online. See you in the next video.